Guys, so today, oh, it's the same day today. I'm just uploading like a lot of videos of toy reviews that I have gonna review. This video's review is the Disney Store Buzz Lightyear. So let's go. Alright, so I have the Buzz Lightyear here. And so it's very nice. So, oh, hands went up. So here he is. He's very nicely made. You can move the head. You can't move it all the way around, but my other Buzz can. Other Buzz that I have, I'll show in a different video today. So before we get into it all, this is really nice Buzz Lightyear though too. So you press the laser button, it lights up and everything. See, watch. And it makes that loud. It's louder than my other Buzz Lightyear is. And so that's nice. And guess what else? On this arm, it's really cool. It has an opening. And you guys can see all that stuff in there. And this is like the actual Buzz Lightyear from the movie. From Toy Story 1, I think. Yeah. I know the helmet's very blurry and stuff. I recently got this last year, so I think it was last year. And so I'm trying to take up all the Try Me stickers, but I'm thinking of selling it. But I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna sell it now, cause I'm gonna collect it. I'm collecting toys now. So I have like 4 action figures of Toy Story. I have 2 Buzz Lightyears, I have a Woody, and I have a Jessie. So let's get all into it. Wee! Okay. So now let's get into the buttons. So let's see what he says.
Right now, poised at the edge of the galaxy, Emperor Zurg has been secretly building a weapon with the destructive capacity to annihilate an entire planet. I alone have information that reveals his weapons. Only readers.
I can't make it sit good, so maybe we'll do it like that. Just like that. There.
Buzz Lightyear to Star Command. Commence Star Command.
Okay, let's see. You know what? I'm just gonna hold him. Okay, now I might play like in the next video. I might play like "You Got a Friend in Me" music. Yeah, probably will. In the next Toy Story review. That'd be awesome. So let's see.
No backtalk. I have a laser, and I will use it.
Yes, he has laser, and he'll use it. What on you? It's very nice lighting, but very, very loud too. So let's see here. Let's see what else he has to say.
Stand back, everyone. Everyone take cover. Buzz Lightyear mission log. All signs point to this planet as location of Zurg's fortress, but there seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere. Who goes there? I am Buzz Lightyear. I come in peace. Buzz Lightyear, at your service. All quiet, nothing to report. Please be careful. You don't want to be in the way when my laser goes off. They are a beryllium carbide alloy, and I can fly.
Oh, God. Yes, I can.
To infinity and beyond.
I know, this Buzz Lightyear doesn't do a good sound like mine. You guys are gonna like the Buzz Lightyear, next Buzz Lightyear. I don't know where his shield is or anything, or one of his weapon things are, but hey, well, I can find that. And yeah, the wings, when you press this button and the wings come out, you guys can see all the lighting. If I turn off the lights, I can probably you guys can probably see the really cool lighting. It's really nice. It's really cool. This Buzz Lightyear is really awesome. So that's that. And then he's got the Buzz Lightyear and all that stuff. So not really that much. Not really that much. I know these reviews are really like short. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing, guys. Or I should say 2 things. So the helmet, you press, there's a button right there. You press that button and the helmet goes right back. And so you can put it right back. It'd be like, yes, Captain, yes. And then you'd be like, woo. Yes. Stuff. And then there's a button back here. And then that's why the hand keeps on coming up. And there's a button back here that you press that button, and then the hand It's a karate chop action, so yeah. You can do it real fast if you have it like this, if you do it with your thumb. It's really nice. I love this toy. It's like my favorite Buzz Lightyear. Not my favorite Buzz Lightyear. One of my favorites. You can show you. So that is mostly all. So to infinity. Okay, love you guys. What the heck was that? That was like a circle. I was like, oh, love you guys. Bye-bye.